In this video, you will learn how to prepare and store fresh pumpkin and pumpkin seeds. You'll also learn some of the amazing health benefits of eating pumpkin. Be sure to stick around until the end because I will share with you one of my top quick and easy pumpkin seed recipes. Hey, it's Naturally Company, your go-to destination for plant-based information. Welcome. Be sure to subscribe and take a step towards a healthier future. Now let's get into it. Did you know that 1 cup of pumpkin has over 200% of daily recommended vitamin A, which plays an important role in your eyesight and immunity? Pumpkins are also packed with potassium, which helps your muscles work, including the muscles that control your heartbeat and breathing. To begin, start with a ripe pumpkin. Several indications that your pumpkin is ripe is a strong pungent color, a brown rind, and a hollow sound if you knock on the side of it. Be sure to clean and dry it off. Start by cutting out the top rind, then cutting the pumpkin in half lengthwise. Scoop out the pulp and seeds and set them aside. Lightly grease the pumpkin with a small amount of olive oil and place in a baking pan, flesh side down. Slow roast at 350 degrees for 50 minutes to an hour or until the pumpkin is tender. Pumpkin knowledge. Pumpkin is high in vitamin C, which helps immune cells work more effectively and make wounds heal faster. Vitamin C is essential for healthy skin. Your body needs this vitamin to make collagen, which is a protein that keeps your skin strong and healthy. While the pumpkin is roasting, rinse and clean the seeds with cool water. Strain and evenly spread them on a baking sheet lined with paper towels overnight to dry. Once the pumpkin is done roasting, carefully remove it from the oven and allow it to cool before scooping out the nutritious pulp. This pulp can be stored preferably in a mason jar, in the refrigerator for up to a week, or the freezer for 3 to 8 months. It can be eaten as is, or it can be turned into a puree and used in an infinite amount of delicious pumpkin dishes and smoothies. One of my favorite snacks happens to be roasted cinnamon sugar pumpkin seeds. Super easy to make, just start with 3 cups of fresh pumpkin seeds that have been dried completely overnight. Preheat oven to 325 degrees. Melt 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or vegan butter. Remove from heat and mix in a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a large bowl, mix pumpkin seeds with coconut oil mixture and evenly coat. Combine 4 tablespoons of raw sugar with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Add to coated pumpkin seeds. Finally, spread seeds on a baking sheet and bake for 25 to 35 minutes, being sure not to overcook them. Try sampling a couple of cooled seeds, and if the texture is soft and chewy, then the seeds are not done, and continue to cook for an additional 5 minutes, repeating until seeds are nice and crispy. Quick tip: if your seeds start to soften after a day or two, simply reheat them at 250 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. Did you know that 1 cup of pumpkin seeds contains 12 grams of protein? They also contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. Not to mention they are packed with zinc, which is essential for a healthy immune system. So now you know how to prepare and store fresh pumpkin and just a few of its amazing nutritional benefits. Be sure to check out the video I've linked to learn more about how a whole foods plant-based diet could improve your health naturally. And I'll see you in the next video.